have the second one on.
There are holes drilled inside the side of the rocket, and the bottom engine, it doesn't have any.
Run!
Well,
run away! Okay, that was setting up the rocket.
Okay.
Why don't we back up? Okay. Okay.
Robert, are you ready for this?
Yep.
Fancy?
Penis.
Why? You don't get hit in the eye now. And are we set?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All the swings.
Oh, yes!
Now we have a problem.
The bottom one didn't go.
What?
The bottom one ignited, sir, but so the bottom one did ignite, except it didn't get off the launch pad, sir.
Okay.
Yeah!
That was awesome. All right.
All right.
We'll have to do retrieval.
Yes, sir.
Gabriel, you're expected to do the environmental cleanup now.
Yeah.
You could have contaminated the whole ground.
Okay, so basically what happened was the bottom stage engine did ignite. However, well, the bottom stage stayed on the launch pad while everything else just went poof. My goodness, stuff. Debris. So all this is like burnt, all my wadding is burnt to crisp basically, but my parachute is intact.
Dude, did you see at the end? It crashed, and then like just 2 seconds after it crashed, the parachute popped out. It's like a plane crash.
Thanks a lot, kid. Yeah.
This touched the ground. Yes, but then very fun. Wait, did that go off?
Yeah. Well, the bottom stayed where it was, but yo,
Partial success, we'll call it.
yo, check that out. The engine just like boom.
Oh, is it not supposed to be sticking out like
No, it's not.
Oh dear. Yep. Newton's law. When we start a company, don't mention this. I think people have.
You need a few hands, eh?
When then the parachute came out.
Is there if you hold the box?
Yeah. I can hold the coffin.
Sure.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's partially successful. Like I enjoyed that.
That was really cool.
That was so fun. The hat you may carry. The box. Thanks. Woo! Oh, I think the GoPro is still on.
Oh, well.
Hi, Nick! So the bottom stage ignited, but the whole principle still worked though. Like, if this had gone up all the way, this still would have gone higher. So.
Did it get jammed or something?
This? Yes, it got stuck on the launch pad. See this thing right here. Shoot, I want to do that again. Yeah. It's like slide around.
The parachute at the end really made it. It's scrambled.
Parachute just put at the end.
Oh, just a little too. We need another astronaut.
Ah, well. Hey, well, check this out. My parachute didn't get burnt. Yo! Hey! Oh, that works too. Thanks. Well, mission partially successful. I'm freezing. So, now why did this stay on the launch pad?
I can tell if you just shot that off, right?
Yeah, actually, it's a two.
Smell the cartridge thing.
Yeah, actually, what happened was this stayed on the launch pad while the rest of the rocket just went shoot, you know? That way. Oh yeah, it's still recording. Sorry. Say hi, Neil. Dude, I think I should turn this off. What, Nick? Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Off.